Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, students. This is June 2022 52 variant and question number 6. Topic is permutation combination. So I have some planning already here. Number of different arrangement of the 9 letters total. The word crocodile. So 2 C's are repeating. So I copied here. 2 O's are there. I copied here. And how many others? You can see R, D, I, L, E. Which are others. You can see 5 others. Okay. So have a look now. You say that how many number of arrangement. When the arrangement comes, we go for permutation. So 9P9 divided by 2P2 into 2P2. And when upper number and lower number same, we can write factorial also. For example, 2, so 2 factorial. So 9 and 9, so we can write 9 factorial. So this writing way or this writing method, both are same. And if we type this in calculator, let me check 9 factorial. So I'm getting here divided by 2 and 2. So I got a 90720. This is total number of arrangements we can have. So I hope so, student, this is very clear. Let's go for the next part. And find the number of different arrangement of 9 letters in the word crocodile, in which there is a C on each end and the 2 E's are not together. Not together. He said not together. Okay. So how we can do it? Total options minus, I'll go for when O's are together. O's are together. So this is a method to do the question. So when O's are together and when O's are not together. So let's discuss when O's are together. Okay. What is the method to do this part? So have a look. So 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 lines, 9 boxes. He said C on each end. So C appears here, C appears here. They're blocked. Okay, very clear. All right. So now what happens here when O's are together? So this O together, this O, if you look at carefully, this O can be anywhere. This can be here. It can be here, can be here, can be here. It go together. So I make a planning, then I take them together like a one block. Like one block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many ways are there? 6P6, which is 720. And you may ask me, so why you not divide by 2P2 the way you done on top? Reason, there are 2 O's. How we differentiate that this O is a starting or this O is an ending place. So that is why we can't differentiate. So in that option, we cannot divide by 2. So this part is very clear. Now we talk about when total options. How many total options you have? So total options we have. If I have a same concept, same. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Starting C, ending C blocked. And now O's cannot be together. One may be here, or maybe here, like that. So what is this answer? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7P7, same like on the top, 2P2. Like if only 2 repeats, okay, so then we should write like this only. Because here 2 repeating, that is why I wrote 2 times. But here only and only O's repeating, that is why. And if we check this in calculator, so 7 factorial divided by 2, I'm getting here 2520. So when they are the total options, when O's are not together, O's not together. So how we can get this answer? So from total options, subtract when they are together. So means answer is 2520 minus 720. So when I subtract 720. My answer is coming with me 1800. I hope so. The concept is very clear. And let's go for next part. Next part, I have already planned here. You can see the letters are, you said 4 letters are selected. I have to select 4 letters. And whenever selection come with repeating letters, so we have to be careful. And he said what number of the selections in which C's, number of C's are not same like number of O's. So I make a plan here, C here, O here, and others. Okay, so C and O others. So let's see how many options we can have it here. First of all, is it possible? Can I take both 0, 0 here and 4 from here? Not possible. Reason, because he said they should not be same. So 0, 0 not possible. 0, 1 is possible. 0, 2 is possible. 0, 3 is not possible because maximum there are 2. So this is done. This maximum option is achieved. Let's go reverse. Is it 1 here, a 0 here, and let's say 2 here, and 2 here, and 0 here. I hope so clear. Now we talk about if we have a 4 options done, and now we example we have a 2 here and 1 here. Okay, and we can see here 1 left here further. And that is 1 here and 2. Okay, so this is okay. So we have a total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 options. All right, now because we have to select 4, make sure 4, and in this option 1 is already selected. I need 3 more from 5. So I need 3 more to make it 4. Check it, 4 comes. I have selected 2 already. I need 2 more to make it 4. You see, 4 is there. And I have selected already 1 C, so I need 3 more to make it 4. Selected here 2, so 2 plus 2 give us 4. And 2 plus 3, 3 plus 1 give us 4. And here is also same situation. Now, students, because we are carrying from 5s, I need 3. Which 3? Because there are different 5s. So 5C3, we can write it. And here from 5, I need 2. So 5C2. I believe you're understanding. Then 5C3, then 5C2, then 5C1, and again 5C1. So if I just check it and tell, because for your knowledge, if the 5 and down 1 comes, so we have the same answer. 5C1 is the same. And 5C2 is 10, 10. Even 5C3 is also 10. You can check in calculator. So if you check it 10, 20, 30, 40, and this 10 be 50. So total options are there are 50. So I hope so. The concept is very, very clear. And let's go for the last part. Last part, students, he is saying here, find number of ways in which 9 letters of a word crocodile can be divided into 3 groups. Okay, each containing 3 letters. If 2 must be in a different group, so 2 C's must be in different groups. So this is a very interesting part we have, because same problem because we are groups dividing and groups are dealing with the selection. Okay, and again the repeating values are there. How to deal with this kind of question? So let's say because he mentioned before, to us that we have to take the C in two different groups. So 2C together is not possible. We have to divide them in separate groups. So I make a plan CC here. So why is it possible C to C right here? Because for your knowledge, this is the same. Because if this come here and this go there, so we got a same situation. So it means writing this one, some student think this is a dealing as a different. No, they are same. Okay, they are same. So but rather than concentrate on this, I take a C here. So you see, so it means every time, so I'm writing C here and C here. Even I write C here, they are same like that. So I have a 4 options, C and C. Now let's discuss, students, where is O's? Because we are repeating values. C is done according to demand of question. Let's discuss O's. Where are O's? I have one option. If O, it comes here, let's say one O come here. Where the second O? Second O can be here or can be here. Okay, let's discuss if O appears here. The second option, can I talk about if O here and O here? Yes, it is possible even, okay? And this is a different from the first one. Let's say discuss if O here and O here, because there's the same repeating, so I should not write it. Okay, then what is other possibility if both O's come together with the here? Okay, now can I take next option O here, because this option and this option and this options are same, so this is not possible. Last option, maybe both O appears at the last box. So now student try to solve it and let's see how we can get it. First of all, I just tell you one thing. Okay, first of all, let me plan. Out of 5 letters, this one, 1 letter will use here. So I'm writing here 5. I'm writing here 5C1. Why 5C1? 5 available, 1 to use. When 1 used, 4 left. 4C1. Why 4? Because 1 place 2. And when out of 4, 1 gone, 3 left in 3 places. So I can write here 3C3. Okay. This is done. But wait a minute. Wait a minute. This problem we have here, I just give you example to understand. Look at here. Before I start that idea, I want to give example to understand. Let's say there is like a 2 goalkeepers I have to select for the team. Let's first goalkeeper name is Ali, second name is Umar. If I select Ali first and Umar later, or I select Umar first and Ali later, so does this matter? No matter. Whenever selection is there, so Ali before Umar later or Umar before Ali later, so not a matter. Yeah, if I have put a title on top, this is captain, is a vice captain, that matters. Now Ali is captain and vice captain is Umar. Second option, captain is Umar and vice captain is Ali, then matters. But if there are no titles like this, no titles, then you know Ali Umar and Umar Ali, they are dealing like a same. So if I have a so you can't say that we have a 2 options. No, we can't say this is a 1 and 2. So 2, or if it considers 2, we have to divide by 2. Why divide by 2? Because they are repeating. So actually answer is 1 only. And that is Ali and Umar. That is a 1 option. I believe you got a point. So whenever we talk about this, let's see this repeating or not, and I can try to convince you there's a repeating. How repeating? Let's say R comes is this place and E comes here. Okay, and rest 3 letters comes here. So what situation comes? So let's discuss that one by one. C-O-R, core, and E comes here. So C-O-E, I can write it C-O-E, and D-I-L, dil comes here, dil. Okay, this I think point is clear. But let's say in the same arrangements, dil is still there, but this E come here, R goes on the first position. So C, O-E and C-O-R. Do you think they are different? First of all, let's decide this one. They are not different, they are same actually. How same? If I bring this before and this later, you see, student, they are dealing as the same. So these 2 options are exactly same like Umar Ali and Ali Umar. So that is why. So in a selection, whenever order is not a matter, selection things there. So this kind of thing matters. I believe you got a point. So that is why I should not consider the way I have divided by 2 here. So this answer, I have to whole answer divided by 2 logically, because this is not a 2 options, this is a 1 option. So this answer, I should not write say 2, I said divide by 2. So 1 answer we have. It is the same actually. So I believe you people understood very well this concept, inshallah. So that is why. Let's discuss here. Do we have a repeating values? C, O, C, and O? No, this is not a repeating. If R comes here and D and I comes here, or they change the order, so not a matter. If DI come here or DI come here, they're different because C, DI, and ODI. They are different. So here, no problem. Out of 5, one letter I need, so 5C1. And when 1U is 4 left, so I need 2, so 4C2. And then 2C2 because 2 left only. Okay. Now, what about the next one? This situation, so students, again, same. So we'll think about it. If DI comes here with a C and DI goes there, so not a matter. So this means there's no repeating values. So out of 5, 2 can come here. So I'm writing here 5C2. When 2 gone, 3 letters left out of 5. So 3C3. And I believe all points are clear. Last option. C, two empty spaces, and C, two empty. Look at here. This is resembles with that. Okay. So whenever, for example, let's discuss one thing. For example, LE comes here. LE. Okay. LE. I give this example to understand. Let's have a look. So I take LE here. Okay, students. So CLE. And let's say IL comes here. So CIL. And R comes at the end. Okay, maybe the same LE goes here, LI come before. So CIL and CLE are not changing. Do you think they are different from each other? Not at all. They are same. Basically, this if come before and this goes later. Okay, and this is same. So you can see this one, they are exactly same. So we are divide by 2. So we can divide by 2 to get the answer. So it means from 5, we need a 2 here. So 5C2 into, and now out of 5, 2 gone, 3 left. So 3C2 and 1 left, 1C1. And this answer, students, we have to divide it by 2. The logic is very clear. So first answer, which I'm getting 5C1, 4C1, this is coming with us 10. And second answer, 5C1, 4C2, 2C2 is coming with us 30. And next answer, 5C2 into 3C3 is a 10. And last answer, which is a 5C2, 3C2, 1C1 is coming 15. And now if I add them all, so I believe you understood very well. And this answer is finally, if you add 10, 20, 30, 50, 65. So our final answer is 65.